Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a physics class for class 9 students. My dear students, our today's topic, Chapter 8, CQ3 discussion, and today's lecture number 32, SW number 28. My dear students, let's start our class. This is CQ3. At first, see the stem. A group of students found that if a stick of 2 cm length is placed in front of a concave mirror, my dear students, see here given the length of stick is 2 cm and it is placed in the front of a concave mirror. Okay, an image of 3.51 magnification is formed on the screen in the first step. Here given also the magnification is 3.51. okay, and this is the first step, and in the second step of the experiment they found an image on the screen of magnification is 6. So here given in the second step of the experiment, here given the magnification of screen of image is 6. Okay, now see what's the question. What is the question? Question number A, what is magnification? Number B, why plane mirrors are not used as view mirrors? And number C, calculate the length and property of the image of the stick in the first step of the experiment. Number D, what are the changes made in the second step of the experiment? What are the changes made in the second step of the experiment? My dear students, now we'll discuss what is magnification. Okay, number A, what is magnification? Magnification refers to how much larger the image is than the real object. I am repeating, magnification refers to how much larger the image is than the real object. If the length of an object is L and the length of its image is L dash, then magnification is M equals to L dash divided by L. My dear students, I am repeating, magnification M equals to L dash divided by L, and this is the formula also. Okay, now comes to question number B, why plane mirrors are not used as view mirrors? The answer will be, drivers always try to notice what is happening behind the car while driving. So there is a rear view mirror in front of the driver, and convex mirrors are used in these mirrors so that drivers can see a vast area behind the car with the help of a small mirror, and with the help of a plane mirror, a vast area cannot be covered with a small mirror. That's why plane mirrors are not used as view mirrors. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood this question. Now question number C, calculate the length and property of the image of the stick in the first step of the experiment. Now we have to do this. Here given, see, from stem we have to write at first what is given. Here given the length of stick. Here given the length of stick is 2 cm. Okay, length of stick is 2 cm, that is L. Okay, small L. My dear students, you have to write the full term, but I write shortly. Okay, for the length of stick is small L equals to given 2 cm. Here given the magnification M equals to 3.51. okay, and we know the length of image is L dash. Okay, length of image is L dash, and we have to find out this one. Calculate the length and property of the image. That means we have to find out the length of image, so L dash. And now we know the formula. What is the formula? We have understood this formula. M equals to L dash divided by L. Magnification M equals to L dash divided by L. So we have to find out the L dash. So write L dash equals to ML. Okay, now put the value. M means 3.51 into L means 2 centimeter. Okay, that means 3.51 into 2 equals to 7.02 centimeter. Okay, so the image of the length of image is 7.02 centimeter. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood this mathematical problem. Now we will solve question number D. Now we will solve question number D. So what are the changes made in the second step of the experiment? Okay, my dear students, I am repeating this step again. A group of students found that if a stick of 2 centimeter length is placed in front of a concave mirror, an image of 3.51 magnification is formed on the screen of the first step. This is first step, and in the second step the experiment of found on image is on the screen is magnification is 6. That means for first case magnification is 3.51 and for second step magnification here given 6. So what are the, now question, what are the changes made in the second step in the experiment? We have to find out this. Okay, my dear students, here see, you have to write at first here given magnification in second step m equals to 6 on the and the image is real. Okay, so for second step magnification is 6 and image is real. Now we know the formula, this one 1 divided by u plus 1 divided by v equals to 1 divided by f. Here u is the distance of object, v is the distance of image and f is the focal length of the mirror. Okay, now for first case we can write magnification m1. This is for first case, so we write m1, magnification m1 equals to v1 divided by u1. My dear students, we know v means distance of image and u means distance of object. Okay, distance of object. So write, and here given for first case magnification is 3.51. Okay, so write v1 equals to 3.51 into u1. Okay, and now you have to put this value on this formula. Okay, so 1 divided by u1 plus 1 divided by v1 means for first step, so that we will use here 1. Okay, the value of v1 is 3.51 into u1 equals to 1 divided by f. Okay, now we have to do the to take the LCM of u1 and 3.51 u1, it will be 3.51 u1. Now divide this one with u1, so u1 cut and it will be 3.51 plus it will be divided by this one, so it will be 1 equals to 1 divided by f. Now we have to find out the value of u1. Okay, so 3.51 plus 1, that means 4.51 divided by 3.51 u1 equals to 1 divided by f. So f will be, so f will be 4.51 into f equals to 3.51 into u1. So we have to find out the value of u1. So u1 equals to 4.51 divided by 3.51 into f. Okay, this is the value of u1. And in second case, now in second case, my dear students, I am erase this one, this part. This is the value of u1. Now we will find out the value for second case. Here second case m2 equals to 6. So v2 divided by u2 equals to 6. So v2 equals to 6 into u2. Okay, now we will put this value on this formula, u1 by u2 plus 1 by v2 equals to 1 by f. So put this value 1 by u2 plus 1 by v2 means 6 u2. 6 u2 equals to 1 divided by f. We have to find out the value of u2 now. Okay, at first we have to find out the u1. We will find we have found the value of u1. Now we will find out the value of u2. So take LCM from u2 and 6 u2, that means 6 u2. So divide this 6 u2 divided by u2, that means it will be 6 plus it will be 1. So 7 divided by 6 u2 equals to 1 divided by f. Now cross multiplication, do the cross multiplication, and then we have to find out the value of u2. So we can write u2 equals to 7 divided by 6 into f. Okay, this is the value of u2. Here value of u2 and here value of u1. Now we have to find out divided by u2 divided by u1. Okay, so u2 divided by u1 equals to, the value of u2 is 7 divided by 6 f divided by 4.51 divided by 3.51 into f. So 7 divided by 6 into 3.51 divided by 4.51 and f cut. Okay, now it will be, by doing this calculation, it will be 7 into 3.51 divided by 6 into 4.51. By doing this calculation, it will be 0.9. Okay, now we have to find out what is the changes. What is the changes? That means we have to find out the what is the changes of object. Okay, here. So u2 minus u1 minus u2 divided by u1 into 100%. Okay, now see here, u1 divided by u1 minus u2 divided by u1 into 100%. So u1 cut, so here 1 minus u2 divided by u1 into 100%. So 1 minus, now put the value u2 divided by u1. Okay, and this the value of this one is, we know, 0.9. So 1 minus 0.9 into 100%. Okay, so 1 minus 0.9 into 100%, that 100, that means it will be 10. Okay, 10%. Okay, and therefore in second case the distance of object was decreased by 10%. My dear students, here see, in the second case the distance of the object was decreased by 10%. That means in the step here given, the for first step the magnification is 3.51, and for the second step magnification m equals to 6. That means in the second case the distance of the object was decreased by 10%. My dear students, now your today's SW number is 28 and your SW topic is CQ3 CD. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic properly. Memorize properly this CQ and practice at home. Take preparation for half yearly examination. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.